Our annual bill was $8,000. It's come down to $2,000, which is a 70% drop in cost.
We just finished 25 kilowatt system installing this beautiful church, and I've got Finney, the man behind of this architect, and really good to have you here.
Thank you.
I want to just know the story behind this church first.
Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful old building. It's been here since the 1885, so it's a historic building.
Solis and Yello Energy Group, to secure a green future for the church and community.
Our process started from a site inspection. We came out with our Sparky and did the inspection just to make sure that everything we can do with the installation there goes smoothly. After the inspection, we carefully designed the system so that it fits on the roof and facing the right direction. One of the most hardest part was taking the panels from the ground to the top because the roof is 35-degree angle.
We got it 25 years ago and have slowly renovated it, brought it up to a modern.
We use specifically Solis in the project because of the way the inverter is made and the safety precautions.
What I love about it is that you have the app, and so you can see your usage, you can see your savings in real time. And not just that, you have the history of their worldwide, the warranty, the productivity, the guarantees. Bills go down significantly. Our annual bill was $8,000. It's come down to $2,000. 70% drop in cost, and so we are able to invest that money, that savings, back into the community, back into projects, back into people, and also do our bit for the environment. We wouldn't have this system at all without their sponsorship, and we're so grateful for them. And it's actually an investment in people, and it's not just an investment in money, it's in people, so we're very grateful for them.
This church holds countless memories for everyone. With green energy, its sacred presence shines even brighter.